What is skin cycling? 4-day glowing skin routine explained. In today's video, we're talking about one of the most viral skincare trends of the year, skin cycling. It's a simple 4-night skincare routine that helps your skin glow, repair, and breathe without using a ton of products. What is skin cycling? Skin cycling is a dermatologist-approved 4-night routine where you rotate between active ingredients and recovery days. This method prevents overuse of strong products like acids and retinoids, which can damage your skin barrier if used too often. The 4-day skin cycling routine. Day 1. What to apply? Exfoliant AHA/BHA. Why it works. Removes dead skin and unclogs pores. Day 2. What to apply? Retinol Vitamin A. Why it works. Boosts collagen and reduces acne/age fine lines. Day 3. What to apply? Moisturizer Recovery. Why it works. Repairs skin barrier. Day 4. What to apply? Moisturizer Recovery. Why it works. Deep hydration and soothes inflammation. Then repeat the cycle every 4 nights. Tips and common mistakes. Always wear sunscreen after using retinol. Don't mix vitamin C and retinol in the same routine. Start with low-strength retinoids if you're a beginner. Never exfoliate more than once in this cycle. Recommended products. Optional. AHA/BHA exfoliants. The Ordinary Glycolic Acid/Paula's Choice BHA. Retinol. CeraVe Retinol/Minimalist. 0.3% retinol. Moisturizers. CeraVe/Neutrogena Hydro Boost. Sunscreen. La Roche-Posay/Supergoop/Rivage SPF 60. If you want glowing skin without the guesswork, try skin cycling. Don't forget to like this video and comment below your skin type. I'll help you build a custom routine.